everyone, today we are going to learn about a really interesting concept in Java, which is inner classes. So an inner class is simply a class defined inside another class, defined inside another class. And it really helps us in a way that other regular classes cannot. So an inner class is simply a class declared inside another class, right? Think of it like a house and its rooms. The house is the outer class, the main container. The rooms are inner classes. They exist inside the house and belong to it. A room cannot exist within the house, and similarly, an inner class is associated with its outer class. So let's write an inner class. Class A is an outer class. Outer class. Let's create an inner class. But before that, I'm going to create a variable x equals 10 semicolon. Now, I create an inner class, class B, name it B, and curly braces. Inside this class, I create a method, void, display the name of the method, curly braces. And I want to write inside class B, whatever you like you can do, and another one which I want to print, accessing outer variable, the variable that I have created inside outer class. How we can access it? By concatenation. The name of the variable is x. So class B is an inner class, right? So notice something really powerful here. Class B can directly access the variable x from class A, even though x belongs to the outer class. This is one of the biggest advantages of inner classes. They can access all members of the outer class, including private members. Now let's see how to create an object of inner class. You might think you can write something like this: the name of the class, the name of reference variable, new keyword, B, name of the class, and semicolon. But as you can see, there is an error, and it means Java cannot find class B. And this will not work, because B is not a standalone class. It is defined inside A. So Java needs to know about A first. To create an inner class object, you first need to create an outer class object, and then create the inner class object through it. I mean, the name of outer class is A. Let's create an object for that. A. The name of reference variable, whatever you like, just to differentiate between two objects. Let's write outerObj equal new, and then the name of outer class, semicolon. Now we write the outer class name, dot operator, the name of inner class, and now we choose a name for our inner object. For example, I choose inner obj for the reference variable, and then I copy the name of outer class object, the new keyword, the name of inner class, parentheses, and semicolon. So by the way, we have to write dot new here, and now here we can call our method by the help of inner object. Copy it, dot display, and now run the program. You can see inside class B accessing outer variable 10, the variable that we have created here. Notice the syntax A.B. This tells Java B is an inner class of A, and outerObj.new in here creates a new B object through the outer object. Here's something interesting about the compile files as well. When Java compiles a file with an inner class, it creates two separate .class files. Two separate .class files. One is a.class, the outer class, and second one is a and then the sign of dollar in B and .class, the inner class. Let's see if it's really can be like that. Oh, yes. Java created two separate classes. One is for a.class, another one is a $B.class. The second one, a sign B.class, shows the inner class, and the dollar sign between A and B indicates that B is an inner class of A. So that is the inner classes in Java. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.